Hi, my name is Foley. I'm a team member here at ROVI Homes. I've always been interested in real estate. In fact, I would come home after working all day and get on my computer and go online and just look at what's on the market. And then I got a call from ROVI, and I was like, no, that just sounds too good to be true. And finally, the third call, I said, okay, you know what, let me set up a meeting, it can't hurt. And it was the best thing ever. The most fun thing about being here is the laid-back culture. You could cry, or you could scream, or you could laugh, and people are still going to, support you and love you. And people will tell you every step of the way, this is really hard, this is a hard career to get into because there's just so much to know. But here, you can literally get on your phone, get in the chat, and ask questions, and people will answer you. And it allows you to focus on what your client needs and making sure the property they're looking at is sound and you're protecting their interests. Before, I didn't really have a guideline. One of the things that I was particularly concerned about was being confident to advise people through the process. It's a scary process. I wanted to be that person to help and did not feel confident to do that until I came here. I love helping people. To me, it's about building a connection. All of that education is just amazing.